Can you use AI to make nail art? Well, you can, but should you? Let's find out. I'm going to take some images and see if I can recreate them into nail art. So I did some research first on AI and the different websites out there that you can use to generate an image. And it seems like most of them you need to create an account before you can actually get the images. And I didn't want to create an account. I have an account already with Canva and I'm going to be using that. I want to pick something maybe easy for nail art. I'm really not sure what AI is going to give me. If it's going to give me something super crazy that I can't draw. I would say my drawing is at an intermediate level. I'm not exactly someone who can draw a bunch of characters and all this crazy things that you see some people on the internet do. So I'm going to start off just by doing easy nail art and see what AI generates for me. We'll go level up, easy to harder. So it's taking a while to generate. I guess it really has to think about what it wants to do. It has one image already, which seems kind of cute. Like that seems really easy. Like this is, I'd say like beginner. Ooh, look at that in the back. Like she either grew this out or we didn't do the nail all the way to the back. Look at this middle finger here. It's like little bubbles and the end's pink. Okay, that's interesting. This could be an option. It's definitely a look, although I think we're missing some of our fingers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers, so I guess we got to get creative if we want to do 10. Let's see what else we have here. This one, that actually, besides the fact that this finger looks like it's in a glass bottle, I think that's the thumb. Is that my thumb or my polish bottle? I'm not sure. These look really cute though. Those 4 fingers, they look nice. They look polished well. I'm going to delete that one. We're not going to delete, or we're not going to use that. We're maybe going to do this one. Okay. That's like one almond in between your 2 fingers. That's a look. That's a look that anybody would go for. And then this last one, let's see what this last one is. This is also a look, definitely. The hands are a look. We know AI isn't really that good at generating fingers for whatever reason. I'm not exactly sure why it's not, but that's definitely a beginner nail look. I'm going to keep this one and we're going to do this one on some nails and see how it looks. Now we're going to do another one, and I don't want to put anything specific like flowers or fall, spring. I kind of just want to see what AI is going to do with nail art. So I'm going to type in intermediate nail art. Intermediate nail art. Let's see what AI thinks is intermediate nail art. Maybe some, oh, flowers. I was actually going to say flowers. It beat me to it. Okay, so we have our second page here. Okay, this looks like a little bit more than intermediate. I mean, it looks 3D, and what is that on this finger? Is that a witch's hat? Is that a mountain? I don't even know, okay? I don't even know. And this looks like it's, oh, a lobster claw. That's cute. It looks like it's gems piled on top of each other. That is definitely a look for somebody. This also looks like it's 3D. I like how AI thinks that intermediate is just like 3D or gluing rhinestones on top of your nails. Okay, wait, which one didn't we see? We didn't see this one in the corner. Okay, no. I think these are bows or butterflies. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna zoom that in. I think it's a little of both. It's a half bow, half butterfly. I think I could create this one. I decided that these easy nails were going to be squoval, which these say square, but these are actually, oh, if I can get them open, they're more rounded on the edge. Let me tell you something. There's only 9 fingers on this image, I am only going to do 9 fingers. I believe that that one finger on the photo where it shows that white and black and that pink underneath, I think it's supposed to be the other pointer, but since, you know, it doesn't exactly show it, I am not going to do it because I feel this is for somebody who only has 9 fingers. Thank you, AI, for making me do less work. I got this deeper pink for like that darky maroonish color, a lighter pink, I got my black, and I got my white, and oops, I'm knocking everything over. I got this glitter here. I'm making these as press-on nails because that's sort of my thing. I make press-on nails. I have a website where I sell my press-on nails, taranails.com. Check this out. Even though it's just the base colors, I feel like this is already a vibe. It's telling a story. I just need a pink one right here to really pull this look all together. But we're not going to do that because my client only has 9 fingers. So I was looking at the picture and it seems like on the pinky, it's actually not 100% black. It kind of has some gray with the sparkles. So I'm going to go in with some silver, some gray lightly. I wish that didn't cover so well. I almost want it to be a little streaky. I believe this process is going good so far. I'm almost done with this easy set. I just got to put my top coat on, cure, and reveal. Here's our before AI inspiration photo. And now here's the completed nails. What do you think? I think it turned out really good. For our inspiration to here, I like it. I'm happy with it, if that's the word for it. Is this the nail art that I'm the most proud of in my life? No. But do I think it's close to the look I was going for in this photo? Yes. And that's why I would say that it turned out well. Lucky for me, my next client only has 4 fingers. I'm going to be using these short almond nails to create this intermediate AI nail art. I have these 2 colors here to use as my base colors. My client here does not have a thumb, and I feel like that is unfortunate, and it makes life a lot harder for her. So I started to analyze this picture more, and I'm thinking, what is going on in this photo? Is this supposed to be 3D? Are these like rocks? Is it supposed to look marbly? I don't know what's going on inside of this gold, what it's trying to convey, and then in my mind, I'm like, am I actually going to do this? Am I going to make it something else? I decided that these 2 nails in the middle kind of had an ombre. So we're going to go with that. The problem with me doing this is I'm not really sure how I want it to look because I'm still trying to figure out this photo. Rhinestone glue feels like the next step that is right for these nails. Let me tell you something. This feels right, but it also feels wrong at the same time. I'm gonna add some rhinestones because I think that is what's missing here. If you like to watch videos about nails, subscribe to my channel because I make videos all about nails here. I'm not really sure at this point if this is something that should be described as a fail or success. Definitely not success. I am not even still sure about this second photo, what it is. There's a lot going on here. I do think I tried to the best of my ability, and I did this just for fun, and I had fun. So, yay, success, maybe, I don't know, still might be a fail. This is how it turned out. I don't know what's going on here. I also don't really know what's going on here. This kind of looks like a bow. This could be a flower. The rest of it, I'm not sure. This also reminds me of a pretzel, which makes me kind of hungry. Thank you for watching today's episode of Nail Fails by Tara and AI. I have more videos on my channel like this one. Feel free to check it out.